How are your SLAs doing? In ConnectWise, under Operations, we have average SLA by company. Here is displaying all of the responded minutes, of course, resolution plan and resolve minutes by each. You do choose a date range. Choose, the current week, the current month, whatever you like. If you do choose the rolling option, when it goes beyond the last day, it'll actually roll to the next increment. But how's it going? There's drill down for each, of course. As always, make sure you choose your right service boards that you want to see in the panel. And, of course, you always have the option to send to Excel, change the chart type. If you don't like this, you could certainly change it here in the colors and the 2D to 3D. You're always welcome to do that. But your average SLA, keep this up and watch that closely, especially for those clients that you have SLAs for. Average SLA by company under the operations.